Hi Sir Brennan, first of all, congratulations for being here. Ayan, your vocal coach ka ni Marian and Hannah.
Actually, si Sir Arnie, Mendares yung vocal coach.
And then,
dalawa.
Okay. So how's it working with the two great singers?
Masaya kasi matatala silang pareho and they're really passionate about what they're doing. So, yeah.
And then from SOP and now you're your vocal coach ka na po ngayon, right?
Nang?
Vocal coach ka na po ngayon.
Yes.
How was it? How was that transition?
Transition, basically naman siya eh. Parang naging natural kasi it's what I do for the longest time. And yun, I find joy in helping others reach their vocal goals. So,
and then yun na nga, vocal din sina Stel, sina yung SB19 of course. How's it working with them?
Solid na solid, syempre. Each day I get to work with them, it's like witnessing history in the making, especially when they're creating new stuff. So yun, I'm happy to be working with them and for the trust.
Kamusta yung boses ng isa-isa? Like for kay Stel, kamusta siya?
Okay naman. He's actually silang lima, just to speak for the group. Ang ganda ng combination ng boses nila kasi from low register hanggang sa pinakamataas, completos legatos.
So start ka ng work with SB19 from anong simulat wakas na ba yun?
Last year, January 2024.
Wow.
Actually, nag-start ng October 2023 for a project with a certain game na parang theme song ng game that I wrote and produced for them.
And then Fast Zone is coming now. Are you working with them?
Siyempre magkakasama kami dyan, but I'm not allowed to give any details, but abangan nyo and I hope to see you guys soon. Sold out na eh. So,
yun na nga eh. And then may homecoming daw. So ayun, abangan
homecoming! Hindi ako pwede magsalita! Basta, abangan nyo na lang.
And then 20 years, kasi si Jonah, 20 years na rin siya. And then ikaw syempre kasama mo siya and all.
I'll be there too. I'll be supporting her with, I'll be part of the band then.
Oh my God!
Yes.
Anong message mo sa kanya?
Alam niya na yun. Pambihira. Basta I'm happy that we get to work with each other pa rin. And recently din sa mga revival niya before. Yung mga covers niya na nirelease recently.
Hopefully I do it with you.
We'll see. Ano daw? Jonah, game?
Diba? Itag ko siya.
Let me know. Hindi, game naman yan. For sure. Busy lang talaga kami pareho.
Diba? Ito message mo lang sa SB19 sa mga 18.
Ayun, siyempre, thank you sa support ninyo sa boys. And boys, thank you sa trust nyo sa akin. I'll be there as long as you need me.
Thank you, Sir Brennan.